Hey everyone, we're going to fill in the area model for 526 times 4. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to fill in this purple box. And remember, this 5 represents the number of hundreds. So 500 times 4 would be 2,000. So inside this little box, we're going to put the number 2,000. So come over here and grab a pencil. And we're going to put 2,000 inside this box. All right, now this 2 represents the number of tens. So 2 groups of 10 is 20. So 20 times 4 would give us 80 for this box. And then finally, this 6 is the number of ones. And 6 times 4 would be 24. So finally, if we wanted to find the area of the shape, we'd add 2,000 plus 80 plus 24. And we get 2,104. And we can say square units.